Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another session of Introduction to HDL. So, in previous class, we started off with the introduction, and then which we discussed what is meant by HDL and what is the special thing about HDL. Then we came across a few terms like analysis, simulation, and synthesis. So under that, again, we discussed how HDL is slightly different from the regular programming language such as C programming, but it is almost how it is as close as to C and how it is different from those things. That is one special point to remember is it includes notion of time. So next, this thing we discussed where all it can be utilized like ASIC microprocessors for building these complex circuits. We can use these things, use HDL. And what is the basic motivation of HDL? That is again, we discussed how the IC technology grew from say a small scale to a very large scale integration. So now it is ultra large scale integration. So these how it came upon these things. That is in a given small area. Previously, you were able to fit only 100 transistors. Now you are able to fit more than 100 transistors, maybe 1000, 10,000, depending on what technology you are utilizing. So in a cadence lab, right, which you will be studying in next semester, in that you are dealing with the nanometer. So when we were here, right, we were dealing with the microwave, which was in micrometer. So micrometer is the spacing between two elements. So that time it was micrometer, now it is nanometer. So it has reduced. So if you reduce, more number of elements can fit in. So that is another one thing which gave rise to HDL, this thing. So then what are the variations of the hardware description languages? In that we have two, that is VHDL, that is very high speed integrated circuit hardware description language, and Verilog.